Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely relevant, beautiful and creative ideas giving for those persons who are in search of very beautiful handmade, hand embroidered design ideas of full body length dresses, maxi dresses, summer dresses, beach dresses, comfortable, lightweight and easy to wear designer style dresses, but they want the art of hand embroidery on that dresses. So friends, absolutely you are on a right platform and you can get creative and stylish amazing ideas. Different patterns have been followed, like you can embroider the whole pattern onto sleeves, you can embroider the pattern of these very beautiful embroideries onto the yoke, closer to the necklines, and even onto the borders of your gowns, frocks, full length kalidars, maxi dresses, summer dresses and any type of dresses that you want. Different type of patterns have been used so that you can get stylish, creative and amazing ideas. Do try these patterns, and the beauty of these designs is that these designs are 3-in-1. That is, you can make with the help of hand embroidery, you can use also the art of computer embroidery, and even you can use the art of simple, local, casual, formal machine embroidery as well. I hope that you like my today's ideas. If you like, then please don't forget to like, and if you are new, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave comments below my video so that I could get to know what you feel about my content. Hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new upcoming content.